Ready? Start. The chairman, in the course of his speech, said full stop. In spite of the good start we made in the first 3 months, circumstances have not been nearly so good in the latter part of the year, and we have had many difficulties. Full stop. Nevertheless, the results achieved for the year are the second best by a large margin in the history of our company since the very beginning in this part of the country. Full stop. Stanza. The board announced a final dividend of 30% plus bonus of 10%, a total distribution for the year of 55% on the class of issued share capital as enlarged by the one for giving free scrip issue made last year. Full stop. The distribution for the year therefore represents a most effective increase. Full stop. Stanza. The last 8 months of the year were an exceptionally difficult period for production owing to the poor qualities of crop which were available from the last year's crop, which increased cost of production. Full stop. From July onwards for the rest of 1972, continually weather as experienced which seriously affected what originally looked a very promising crop and the conditions under which it was lifted. Full stop. As a result, although prices per ton looked cheap, the crop came to us full of excessive water and in a very bad condition, which not only led to high processing cost but gave a low yield per ton of the quality of product as we look to produce. Full stop. Stanza. We believe that with the increased productivity capacity now available from the extensions made during the year, we are in a position to supply all requirements of the trade. Full stop. Up to the end of June last year, the parent company sales showed a nice increase on figures for the similar period of the previous year. Full stop. The prolonged bad weather which followed and continued through most of the period, however, seriously affected demand in our peak period of sales. Full stop. Nevertheless, over the whole year and exclusive of sales of new lines, we exceeded the sales for the previous year by a small margin. Full stop. Looking into the future, we are sure that the demand for our products will continue to grow. Full stop. Quality is the key note of our policy, and we pay the greatest attention to matters which are necessary to maintain it, using the finest raw materials available and methods of processing to put just that differences. Full stop.